COVID-19 hospitalizations continue to rise. Emergency rooms are having to reroute patients to other facilities.
Houston's only full-time on-air health reporter Haley Hernandez is live for us in the Woodlands. And Haley, Governor Abbott has just announced more than 2,500 medical personnel from other states are on their way to Texas.
Yeah, Lauren and Chris, I can tell you that we're going to need them. We see that happening here in Montgomery County. You know, they closed, St. Luke's closed a freestanding ER in Conroe to move their staff here to the Woodlands, where you can see behind me that they are building tents to try and treat the COVID patients. The overcrowdedness at this hospital is one like they've never seen before. The only other time I know that this was an example was last year during the summer surge of COVID. The difference, though, this year is that we have a vaccine available, and today there's more recommendations for children 12 and older and pregnant women to get a vaccine. As school goes back, pediatricians are encouraging those 12 and older to get vaccines, especially as 20% of Memorial Hermann's COVID patients are kids. Dr. Michael Chang says of those, many are obese. If your child is in the 95th percentile, talk to your doctor about your child's risk. And new today, Dr. Jacqueline Parkham says pregnant women, who she often hears avoiding the vaccine, have a new recommendation in favor of getting one, as the CDC gives the first official guidance to give it to pregnant women too.
Women are overestimating the risk of the vaccine and underestimating the benefits. We know that they work. We know that they're safe. We know that they protect women and their babies and families.
She says women have been guilty of believing lies and theories more than the fact that the vaccine can prevent severe complications that pregnant women are at risk of.
So pregnant women can get sick just like everybody else. The difference is there are two lives on the line. And we've all seen cases where, maybe the baby survives but mom doesn't, or mom survives and the baby doesn't. And those are devastating.
And of course, nobody wants to ever end up in the hospital. But coming up at 6 o'clock, I'll show you why you really don't want to go to a hospital right now. I've got an inside look on how bad the overcrowding is here in Montgomery County. We have an inside look at how patients are being treated in the lobby, in hallways. That's coming up at 6 o'clock. For now, I'm reporting live in the Woodlands. Haley Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.